works of God here, just like men, want to be successful. They like to work. It is different during the past years when women are contented in staying at home and just being a housewife. Nowadays, they are career women, but still, they find time taking care of their family. Of course. Most women want to have a family of their own, and very few are old maids. Men want to have a normal family wherein the mother and the father are there. So, even though she's working, she still finds ways on how to keep her family intact. She wants to have a good relationship. She wants to have a good relationship with his husband and children. But sometimes she has to make sacrifices. There's also some instance wherein the woman will do anything just to keep the family and relationship good, like a martyr. Some women are always conscious on what they look for. Like so they tend to buy things that they want. It is not necessarily needed. They buy things like dresses or makeup so that they would look good. Women want a good reputation, though there's some that intentionally do things that would mark they are afraid to make mistakes that would ruin their reputation. What does a man want? Basically, man wants companion, either female or female. They want people that would be there for them. They have girlfriends, not only because they want them, but also maybe because they want someone that would understand them. You can also notice that most men have peer groups. They want people that would also join them in the things that they want. You can notice that there are few men loners. Men are not afraid to do things that they want. They are not afraid what other people will tell them. They are so adventurous. Right, that is right. They do things that may rise their life without thinking what might happen.
What? Right?
Tumayo, parang ganun. Reach their life without thinking what might happen the next day. They are just enjoying the day with their friends. But you can also see that they are responsible. That's right. We are responsible because they are working and studying. They want to provide their family needs the best way they can as the father and the breadwinner of the family. By doing this, they are proving others that they are male. They want others to see that they are male. Inulit lang yun.